So this fountain is broke, and I'm going to be replacing it today with this one. Always like a little fountain. This is a fountain, water pool fountain we're going to be installing on this above ground pool. Comes with quite of a assortment of stuff here. And this is the piece that we'll use, the return, which, the way that works, that for the water to go out the side, or you can increase it so that it has more fountain action. So let me go ahead and put this on. I'm going to put this one on here. Just put this piece on.
There too.
Turn it.
Oh, it's a black widow, babe. It's a black widow. Check it out.
So that water will help, especially a good way if you need to aerate your pool. Also keeps your pool kind of cool by evaporation. And nice little thing, kids will have fun with it. So that's our new fountain. Works pretty good. You can also point it toward the water more down, or whatever how you like.